Hey everybody, it's Eric from EPAutos.com, your libertarian car guy. You may have caught my story up on EP Autos as well as the video that I posted earlier about the fun I had changing out a tire that went flat when I hit a pothole while driving a 26 Lincoln Navigator. And I wanted to mention something that's peripheral to that I think is important. It's kind of an obvious thing, but nonetheless, I think it's something that's worth discussing. Right now, I'm headed down to the gym, so you can see that I'm wearing shorts because, I'm headed down to the gym. However, you can also see that it's been snowing here and the roads are a little bit slick, and I, for that reason, am also in possession of a pair of gloves and a pair of heavy sweatpants because what if something happened today similar to what happened yesterday? I could have a flat tire today, you never know. Bad luck sometimes comes in multiples. So I wouldn't want to have to be changing a tire by the side of the road wearing shorts when it's 28 degrees outside and without gloves either. So the point is that when you're getting ready to head out in inclement weather, it's a good idea to bring things that you might need, like gloves. I think having gloves in a vehicle and a hat perhaps, and maybe an additional hoodie, something like that, just in case you have to walk because you got stuck or you have to deal with something that's outside the car. Good idea. Consider footwear as well. If you're wearing nice street shoes because you're headed to work, maybe throw a pair of boots or just some sneakers or something in the trunk or the back part of the car or wherever, just so you've got those things in case you need those things. Another thing too is just to anticipate weather by doing things like filling up your gas tank before the bad weather comes, so that you're not in a situation where you're headed out in awful weather and your little gas up now light comes on the dashboard, but you're nowhere near a gas station and you might get stuck behind a really slow moving vehicle and then you might not make it, and then what are you going to do? You're going to have to hoof it in the snow to get some gas and leave your poor car by the side of the road, potentially to get hit by a snowplow that doesn't see it or something like that. So it's just a good idea to kind of emulate the old Boy Scout motto of be prepared. I think that that's a good idea. Anyway, more over at EPAutos.com, the web's best libertarian gearhead site. Thanks as always for listening, and we'll have more for you again soon.